Hi, how are you all doing? My name is Ruslan Babar and I am a senior product designer at Pedux. So in this video, I am going to show you about an application that is AI based ML application. The purpose of this application is to transform your images and apply some AI filters over this application. Some of these filters are denoise, super HD, interpolation, AI repair, and the zoom in feature of this application over the applied over the images. So first of all, we will go into the application's functionality, that how the application works, and after that we will be looking forward to the user interface of this application. So moving into the functionality, initially the first screen of this application is a splash screen. Then we comes up with the onboarding screen. Then after we have authentication screen, and if a user is already over on this application registered, then we will go to the login screens, and otherwise the user will have to register themselves. So when the user landed on the home screen, they have several features: the denoise features, the super HD features, the interpolation, the AI repair, and zoom. After that, when the user selects any of these features, they can process. The application will have some backend API connected, so they process over the image, and they can save these images into their local device or share across the social platforms. So they also have the subscription model in this. They have 3 days free trials and a subscription plan of monthly and yearly. So this was the functionality basically and the flow of this application, and now we are moving to the interface designs. So here we have some color systems and some components design. But before doing these interface design, we have some wireframing here. So the purpose of wireframing here is to define a structure and to define a hierarchy of the application that suits well for this application. So here we have some wireframing. There is approved by our client, and the onboarding screen, the login, sign up, and of course after that we are having some features, the processing screens, and so on. So after that we came into the high definition, or what we call the high fidelity mockups and the UI design, which are here. So first of all, the splash screen. Then we have some onboarding screen. These are the screens that will show at the very first time of the application the user lands on the application. And after that we are having the sign up screen for registration of the user, and for the user integrity, and we have some activation process here. The user have to type in the OTP here that is received by the user's email. So this was one step for the integration integrity, user integrity. And after that we can create a new password. If by any chance the user forgot the password, they can reset their password, create a new password here. So after that, we are having, of course, the onboarding screens again, and this showcase how this application works, how the trial system works, and how the subscription plan works. And this is the home screen of the application. So basically, these are the functionalities and the features that I am talking about. The main features of this applications are AI repair, the super HD, the denoise video, the interpolation, and the zoom feature. So when the user clicks over any of this feature, they will be navigated to the gallery. They can select the video or an image. They can select the video here and they can upload it. And here is we have the processing duration, the gamification looking progress bar here, and they can see the after results and the before results here. So they can compare very easily here. After that, they can download or share across the social platforms here. So this was the main flow of this application, that how these features works, and each feature has separate functionality, but of course the process remains same for each of them. So after that, here we have the draft system where the user can look up into their history and their drafts. So yeah, and here we have the profile screen where they can see up their, they can look up into their subscription plan, that the 2 days are left into their free trial version, and they can of course do the account setting, the security, the FAQs, the privacy policy. And these are the features that are very important, like for the deploying the application into the app store or the play store. These few screens, the FAQs, privacy policies, are very necessary, because otherwise these are the criteria set by the play store or the app store, right? So these screens are very necessary. And after that we have the